Hey future nurses, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about presentation. You mainly have to give 3 types of presentation in your whole semester. That is, the first one is your class presentation, the second one is the written demonstration, and the third one is the health talk. So let's start the video.
Hi, I'm Rupsha, a BSc nursing student from Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay Government Medical College.
Starting with the class presentation, you have to first write a content on your class presentation. Like for example, I have got the topic effects of immobility. You have to write the class presentation just like an assignment in A4 pages. So you have to give first the introduction about the topic. Like I have given the introduction on what immobility is. Then you have to write the causes, like causes of immobility. Then comes the effects, that is the main topic of mine, that effects of immobility. After writing those effects, I have written the nursing responsibility. Like this is the main part of your content, the nursing responsibility of your particular topic. Then comes the summarization. You have to summarize your whole topic within 1 to 2 paragraphs. Then you have to conclude the topic, that is conclusion. And bibliography, you have to give at least 4 bibliography, where you have to give at least 2 bibliography of the books and 2 more of the websites that you have taken your notes from. Then comes presenting your topic. You have to present this class presentation in front of your class. Like you have to act like a teacher. You have to teach the class about your topic. Like I have got the topic effects on immobility. I have taught my whole class, like my class, the effects of immobility. You have to present your topic in front of your whole class confidently, like you know everything about your topic. Mainly you have to use English language for presenting your topic depending on what your teachers want. Like if I share my experience, we were instructed to wear sari and get ready like just like a teacher. So I wore sari and gave my first presentation. Well, it was quite tough for the first time. Like I was doing pretty bad. I was quite nervous. Like I have never given a presentation before in my whole life. It was very new for me. So I missed a lot of points. Like my teacher was, what were you doing? Were you just reading the topic that was given in your hand? Were you teaching this class? So it was quite bad experience, but don't worry, I'm here to help you out. So it would be better if you just practice your whole presentation in an empty room or in front of your camera or in front of your parents, friends, whatever it is. Just practice it before giving the presentation in front of your class. Okay. Now the next point comes, that is AVAs. You have to teach in the class. You have to present your topic in the class using AVAs. Now what is AVAs? AVAs can be some sort of charts, posters, that flashcards, anything. Well, in the first year we were not allowed to use PPT. That's why we have to use chart, posters and flashcards. I have used flashcards and charts. Right now that is not available, but I'm telling you how you have to make some. See, a chart, you have to take a whole chart paper. If you give only pictures, that is called poster, and if you give some writings and pictures, then that is called chart. So you have to make your own chart or posters according to your topic, and you have to present the topic in front of your class. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is written demonstration. What written demonstration is? Like demonstrating a topic after your teacher has already demonstrated that to you in the lab. Okay, now there are 2 ways of returning your demonstration, that is either in the lab or to the real patients. If you have to do it with the real patients, it would be quite tough. Okay, now again for written demonstration you have to make a content, but this content would be a bit different from that of your class presentation. Like you have to introduce your topic, but you have to give the definition of the procedure, the purpose of the procedure, the articles that are required, the rationale for the articles, and the whole procedure stepwise. Okay, that your teacher will explain you quite better than me. Now I have to demonstrate the topic to your teacher on your patients. Now let's go to the next point, that is health talk. Health talk is again completely different from that of class presentation, that of written demonstration. You have to present a particular topic in front of the patients in your hospital. Okay, like you have to again write down the content of the health talk, that would be written in English, but you have to explain the whole topic in your native language. Like in West Bengal, we have to explain the whole topic in Bengali, like they will understand Bengali better than English, right? So we have to explain the whole topic to the patients, to the family member of the patients, like for them, for the betterment of them. Like we have to tell that you have to do this to avoid these types of diseases. Like for example, I have got the topic hypoglycemia, so I have to explain them what hypoglycemia is, what are the signs and symptoms that you will get to know that you are having a hypoglycemia, or your patient is having, or your family member is suffering from hypoglycemia. Like what are the first aid measures that you have to take before bringing the patient to the hospital. Like this type sort of things you have to tell in the health talk. Now in the topic, in the content also, you have to write it particularly like that. Like you have to write what should be the sign and symptoms, what should be the nursing management, what should be the first aid management, and like that you have to explain it to the patients also in their native language. Now for health talk also, you have to make some charts and posters or some flashcards. Like you have to use a lot of pictures in that, because the patient and the patient family will not have the patient to read what you have written, even that is in their native language. So you have to demonstrate that with the help of lot of pictures. Like you have to show a lot of pictures, like what is hypoglycemia, what is this and what is that. They will understand and would be interested in the pictures a lot more than the lot more than what is written in your chart and posters. So there you are. I have explained everything related to presentation, how to give presentation, how to write the content, how to write the health talk, everything. Do comment me what you want in my next video, and stay positive for your whole journey. Believe me, being positive will help you a lot. So best of luck for your presentation. Stay happy, stay positive.